Okay, so hello everyone. First and foremost, I want to apologize. The last video that I did, maybe the last two videos that I did, obviously there was something wrong with, the audio because I didn't notice that it was only recording on the right side of because I was literally looking at the videos that I uploaded today, or the video that I uploaded today, and it did not record on the left side, on the, for those of you who use headphones. So I'm remaking the video. For my other videos, I'll check to see which ones are like that, and then I will go ahead and try to remake as many of the videos that I did make before, so that I can fix it. But anyways, I am just remaking the video. Hopefully, you guys find this helpful. It's the same video that I posted before. So it's this, and sorry guys, my dog is she's licking herself. Anyways, so we want to do this problem here that says we have two functions, f of x and g of x, and it's saying find f of g of 1, or f composited of g of 1, and this is composition of functions, so composition, and sorry for my handwriting, so it's composition of functions, right? And so basically, what you're gonna do is, first of all, what this means. So if we say f composited of g of 1, this is f of g of 1. So what do we do first, right? We're gonna first find g of 1. So g of 1, I do g of 1, g of 1 equals 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 2, right? So then this is 0 over 3, which is 0, right? So then we plug that in for g of 1. So we have f of 0, right? So now we have to find f of 0. So when we find f of 0, we have 2 times the quantity 0 squared minus 1. This is 2 times 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1, which is negative 1. Right? So then f composited of g of 1 is equal to negative 1, right? So then what about g composited of f of 1? So you're kind of doing it backwards now. So you're going to do g composited of f, and this little symbol means composited, by the way. This little circle that I make, it's not like fog or like goth, you know what I mean? It's not like that. It's a little circle. And sorry guys, give me 1 second. So let's see here. So this is g composited of f of x, right? So, or I'm sorry, of 1, not x, of 1, right? So now we want to find that. So this is going to be equal to g of f of 1, right? So that's the thing. What is f of 1? We need to find f of 1, right? So f of 1 is equal to, and it's going to be 2 times 1 squared. Oops. And then it's going to be minus 1, right? Yeah. And then so that's f of 1, so then it's 2 minus 1, or, you can do it step by step, so you can say 2 times 1 minus 1, so then this is 2 minus 1. Anytime you have a 2 times 1 squared, or 2 times or something times negative 1 squared, it's going to be that whatever, you have a times negative 1 squared, or a times 1 squared, that's just a. Okay, that's why I did it as 2 minus 1. But you can do it step by step. So then 2 minus 1 is going to be equal to 1. So then you're going to do g of 1. And this is going to be, we have 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 2. This is 0 over 3, which is 0. So f composited of g of 1 is 0. Hey guys, and I do apologize for the video that, I don't know why the audio, I fixed it. It was the audio that was, for some reason, one of these little bars here was not, like, whenever I talk, it wasn't going up. So that's probably why when you wear headphones, you couldn't hear me on the left side. You could only hear me on the right. So I do apologize for that, but I fixed it. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Please like, comment, and or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.